and get you the breaking news that's coming in from the Salman Khan house firing case. One of the accused has attempted suicide in jail. The condition of the accused is now set to be critical. Remember, this sensational incident had happened right outside actor Salman Khan's residence, where shots were fired by bike-borne men. Those men had been detained by the police. Now, one of the accused men has attempted suicide in jail, and his condition is set to be critical. Let me go across to my colleague Ankit for more on this. Ankit, what details are coming in from the prison where one of the accused has tried to commit suicide?
Yes, that's absolutely right. Accused Anuj Thapan, who is a gun supplier in the Salman Khan murder case, where he was arrested by Mumbai Crime Branch on 25th of April, and after that they were being produced before the court. The custody has been granted to Mumbai Crime Branch, but later on the MCOCA Act has been added in this case, and then they have to produce before the court. And then again, till 8 May, there was a custody was granted, and they were in the lockup of Mumbai Crime Branch, where this Anuj Thapan, who is the accused, is a gun supplier. In this case, he tried suicide attempt, but from the official sources we came to know he's right now admitted to the nearest hospital. But very importantly, how he attempted the suicide, that is a very important question. Is he tried to hang himself? Is he drank any kind of a phenol or something like that? That is right now completely unknown over here. Mumbai police is right now doing the investigation. Entire team is right now in the hospital. The condition is very, very critical, because as we all know, in the Salman Khan firing case, Mumbai Crime Branch already granted 14 days custody. Then after that, there is a MCOCA Act has been added over here, where they were in the custody for more 8 to 9 days. So over here, what exactly happened in the jail? That needs to be investigated, where Mumbai Crime Branch, Mumbai Police, and everyone is doing the investigation in this case.
Right. All right, Ankit, you keep a track of that, and we'll keep coming back to you for the latest. The latest, of course, that's coming in from Mumbai is that one of the accused in the Salman Khan firing case has now attempted to commit suicide. His condition remains critical, but as Ankit was saying, what needs to be also probed is what